I will love you and everything, but I can't promise you that I'm coming. I can only promise you that I will try my best and I will work on putting you guys on the list. I love you guys.
Let's begin with the unboxing of Boat Rockerz 450. Comes with a user manual guide. One X data cable and aux cable. Let's take this out. It's with a matte black finish. 2 ports and buttons. One aux cable, micro USB cable. Notification light and a noise cancelling microphone. Comes with a captivating sound with 40mm drivers, adaptive ear cups and headband. Enhanced connectivity with Bluetooth 4.2. Battery life up to 15 hours. Seamless integrated controls, voice assistant by Google and Siri. If you purchase this online, it comes with a 1 year warranty card. If you purchase it directly from the store, it costs 4,000, up to 4,000.